Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. So it's the day before Eid al-Adha. It's rainy, there's thunder. It's a nice afternoon. Lots of noise outside with all the rain and the thunder, but nice weather for movies. And the only thing we're missing the day before Eid is Sawine. Hey guys, so it's Jenna G. That's me, the Hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. Yep, it's all about Sawine. So day before Eid al-Adha here in Trinidad. And what is Eid without Sawine? Alright, so it's starting things off, but one important step that I'm actually not going to be showing you all, only because I have patched vermicelli already, is this here is already patched. Now what you normally do before you put together Sawine is place the vermicelli that you purchased at the grocery from the pack into a pot, one of these, and you put it on medium heat, and you're going to add the vermicelli to it. You're going to keep stirring it until the vermicelli are nice and golden brown like this is. Now what you can do after you do that is parcel them out, and you can actually store them, so it makes it easier when it's time to make some Sawine, like on this rainy evening. So we're going to be putting together Sawine. I am adding 2 cups of the patched Sawine, followed by my evaporated milk, my whole milk, some water. And Sawine is not the same without a whole cinnamon stick. I'm going to stir this around. It's going to start a boil, and we're going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to add condensed milk to it. Alright, so we just had it boiling for about 5 minutes, and at this point you can add almonds, you can add cherries, you can add raisins. I personally don't like anything in Sawine except for almonds, so that's the only thing I'm going to add to it. Otherwise, you guys can add any of the things that I just mentioned. Whichever one you like, you can feel free and add as much as you like. I like my Sawine plain. Alright guys, and that's all for today's Sawine video. Now this was one of the ways you can go about making Sawine. The other way is putting the patched vermicelli in boiling water, letting it sit for a while. Once it's cool, then you add the evaporated milk and the condensed milk to it. I believe I have that recipe up on my website. This is a different method, and decided to try it out on give you all guys an idea of what it is to do it this way with boiling milk. I think this one might be a little more popular than the other way, but nevertheless, Sawine is Sawine. We all love Sawine. So I hope you guys have an enjoyable Eid tomorrow, inshallah, and may Allah accept all your efforts and all your fasts and all your du'as. So thanks so much for watching, and look out for more videos to come. Stay tuned.
لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك